Hello, good morning, all. Welcome back. In our last video, we discussed about gold, e-gold, and today we'll discuss about insurance, different type of insurance. What is insurance? Why one should take insurance? Uh, in 2008, I was going to Mumbai, and it was my first flight journey. And after onboarding the flight, and after hearing the instruction from air hostess, a lot of thoughts, negative thoughts, started coming to me. What if the flight crashes? Now, who will take care of my parents? Who will support my family? All those things will started coming to my mind, because the same year there were multiple terrorist incidents, one in Bangalore and one in Mumbai. And I was going through this ad actually, Jindagi ke Saath Bhi, Jindagi ke Baad Bhi, from one of the insurance company. And I called one of my friend. She was working in the same company, and discussed about this insurance. And after discussing, she suggested me to go for a term insurance. Based on my income at that time, she suggested to take a 30 lakh of term insurance cover. Okay. And in this video, we'll discuss about more on a life cover, and what are the benefits, and how it will help people. What do you mean by, basically, what do you mean by insurance? Insurance is nothing but transferring your risk. Okay, the risk which I had has been transferred to the company. So like there are many risks actually. One is life cover, one is medical emergency, and there's something called as critical illness, and personal accidents, and also the insurance cover for in case of a home and property, or vehicle insurance. These are some of the 5 important insurances one should look at and understand about these things. Coming back to the life insurance cover, okay, many people have already taken life insurance cover, maybe 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 20 lakhs, okay, based on their advisor, or based on their thought, they have taken some insurance. But it's always important to identify what is the ideal amount, what amount I should cover. So basically, there's something called as insurance need analysis. We should do insurance need analysis. It depends on your lifestyle, your income sources, what is your monthly or annual income, what are your liabilities, home loan, vehicle loan, and personal loan, or what are your financial goals, how many kids you have, what are their educational expenses, how many people are there in the family. All those things need to be considered, and the coverage amount need to be identified. And after finding the amount, which insurance should buy, what is the best company, what are their claim ratio, how is their service, all these things need to be considered, what is covered and what is not covered. Generally, when I talk about life cover or a life insurance, normally death cover will be there, and terminal illness cover. When I say terminal illness cover, where person is live but is bedridden, is not able to move, something like is in a coma or something, that is called as terminal illness, and that is also covered. And in most of the policies nowadays, they cover, they waive off the premium in case of a personal accident, or in case of a permanent disability. What is not covered? Generally, if some people, if they don't declare whether they're smoking, or whether they're involved in any criminal activity, whether they're drinking, it has to be declared. If it is not declared, and the death due to the consumption of alcohol, drug intake, and the claim can be rejected. And few instances, claim will also reject in case if they are involved in a criminal activity, or in a adventurous sports, something like bungee jump and or motor ride and all those things. Okay, those things need to be if it is a sports, it has to be declared much before taking the policy. And the most important thing is insurance policy document. I have seen many people, they go, they search for a best policy, and they go online and they buy insurance, and they forget it. Either the insurance copy will be there in their computer, or in the cupboard, or in their email, which is most of the cases it is not accessible to the family member, and also they don't discuss about this insurance with the family members. It is important that when you buy a term insurance, or when you buy any insurance for that matter, you just need to take a printout of that policy copy, and discuss with the family member and keep it in a place which is easily accessible for them, because otherwise the whole point of taking the insurance go for a task actually. That's why it is always important to consult a professional advisor before taking a policy. Discuss with them what is the ideal amount. Discuss with them what are the insurance companies are available, what is the best insurance suitable for them, and what is covered, what is not covered, and finally, in case of a unforeseen event, uh, how they are going to help their family members to get the claims. I hope this video is very useful and educational. Please do share this video with your friends and family. And also, in case if you have any questions, please drop an email to artika.swatantra@gmail.com. And most importantly, this is an attempt to educate on the insurance. Please consult your advisor, I mean insurance advisor before taking the policy. Thank you for watching.